Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve storage on Facebook. To know how to fix or how to solve storage on Facebook app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page, you'll enter to Facebook and you can click. Here we'll enter to first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click on clear data because that can cause you errors or it can delete your information about this app. And in the end, you can turn off your phone. You can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.